Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make your mic loud on Discord. So to begin with, you will need to open settings, your Discord settings page by tapping at the avatar in the bottom right corner. In here, enter the voice category, and at the volume bar, just increase your output microphone volume to the extent that you would like it to be, or you can make it just straight up, crank it all the way up to its maximum volume like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.